You can see here that I've got my aluminum spacer installed. It took some time, but I eventually was able to drill the 1/4-inch hole. What I did was I started with a smaller bit, like a 1/16 metal bit. I actually had a 1/16 inch metal bit that I used to start the hole with the drill press, using the board technique that is in an earlier video to hold it in place. And my width here between the two motor mounting plates is 69 millimeters total, and it's the same width at the bottom bracket, which means that they really should be straight, but that's not guaranteed yet because the motor can still wiggle this way, and that's the next challenge that I'm going to try and tackle. You will notice one other thing is I added some foam here. I got this idea from the AFT Cyclone motor upgrade website, where they basically take foam like this and they wrap it around the gearbox to reduce the noise. So that's exactly what I did, except I didn't go to the trouble of also putting another plastic shell over the top of this to cover it up. You'll notice one other thing that I did was I found a longer version of the number 6 metric bolt at Bimart, and this way I can reuse the steel spacer that I replaced with my aluminum spacer, and I can use that bolt to mount a plate here between the chain and the motor face, and then I can mount the chain guard using a second set of bolts to that plate. It's a roundabout way of doing it, but I've got the materials to do it, and I'd rather not have to order more parts than I have to.